Hello friends. Welcome to lesson number 9 of Photoshop. I know you were waiting for my next tutorial, right? So without further ado, let's start. Today we will see the eraser tool. On left side this is eraser tool, just right click to see the more options. This is simple eraser tool. Then background eraser tool, then magic eraser tool. Let's first see the simple eraser tool. I downloaded this image from unsplash.com. This eraser tool is very simple, just like we used in MS Paint. Let's duplicate the layer for backup. Right click to see the brush properties. In properties you can increase or decrease the brush size, and you can change the hardness of the brush. With this you can simply remove the objects. You can also use this with soft brush. You can also change the opacity. And you can also play with flow. Now let's see the next eraser, the background eraser tool. As you can see, a small crosshair in the middle of the eraser tool. What is the purpose of this crosshair? This is actually a source point from where the brush takes the color sample to erase that color. Let me explain you with a very simple example here. Now look carefully, okay? Now I am simply erasing the red color. But, now look at that, some part of my eraser is just touching the green color, and it's not erasing it. But why? Because it's taking the sample from its crosshair, and the crosshair is not touching the green color, right? But if I goes down and as the crosshair touches the green boundary, it starts removing the green color, look. I hope you will be understanding. For any query you can comment below. There are 3 more options, but don't change them. Let's try to remove the sky. This will not remove the sea water due to color difference. I'm going to use a super soft brush here. It's affecting the water because I am using the soft brush, and soft brush start feathering the corners. Let's minimize some tolerance. Now it's working more fine. This will take some time as it's a high-resolution image. And we can erase the remaining part, with the help of normal eraser quickly, easily, fastly. And it's not done. Okay, I show you what I'm saying. Now look at this carefully. It has some parts that's not removed perfectly due to color difference, but you can also remove this part by spending some time. Look here. And here. And here. Let me change the color. Now you can see the clear difference. And finally, let's see the magic eraser tool. The magic eraser tool removes the same color at a time, just like the magic wand. This is the magic wand as we learned in our previous lesson of quick selection tool. If you have missed, you can find the link from top right here, or you can find the link in video description. Magic eraser is useful to remove the solid colors. I show you with an example. By the way, you can fill the foreground color with the shortcut key. Just press and hold the Alt or Option key and then press the backspace or delete button from your keyboard. Now see, the magic eraser tool is erasing the whole color range at a time. Let's take a review of all these three eraser tools. The simple eraser tool erases the things simply as we erase the things in MS Paint. The background eraser tool takes the sample from its source point, and remove the surface accordingly. And the magic eraser tool erases the whole color range at a time in just one click. Hope you understand. See you in next lesson. Goodbye.